Yeah. Oh, oh. Life ain't easy, pero bawat sugat may dahilan. Listen. Nung bata pa ako, akala ko madali. Lahat ng pangarap parang abot kamay lagi. Pero habang lumalaki, mundo'y nagbabago. May taong iiwan ka kahit mahal mo. Minsan sa paglakad, ikaw ay matitisod. Mga pangakong binitawan, unti-unting nalulunod. Hindi lahat ng ngiti ay tunay na saya. May mga taong umiyak kahit may kasama. Every scar reminds me who I am today. Every tear washed all my fears away. Di man naging madali ang bawat hakbang. Natutunan kong bumangon kahit nasasaktan. Life keeps teaching every single day. Sometimes you lose before you find your way. Kahit madapa, tatayo pa rin. 'Cause every ending it is a new beginning. Hindi sukatan ang yaman o pangalan. Ang tunay na tagumpay ay kabutihan ng kalooban. Hold your faith, keep moving on. After every darkest night comes the dawn. Yeah, listen to the story that I'm telling tonight. Every wrong decision taught me how to fight. Hindi lahat ng laban kailangang gantihan. Minsan ang pagpapatawad ang pinakamalaking tagumpay. Failures make me stronger, pain became my guide. Tinuruan akong umiti kahit gusto ko nang magtago. Respect your parents while they're still around. One day you'll miss hearing that familiar sound. Money comes and goes, don't worship the gold. Character lasts longer than the stories ever told. Be humble every day, stay true to your soul. Kindness is the richest treasure you'll ever hold. Maraming dumaan na parang tunay na kaibigan. Pero noong bumagsak ako, wala silang nahagilapan. Dun ko nalaman kung sino ang totoo. Hindi sa dami ng kasama, kundi sa taong nanatili sa'yo. Kaya ngayon, bawat umaga ay pasasalamat sa bawat pagsubok na naging daan sa pangarap. Kung may mali kahapon, itama mo ngayon. Dahil ang bukas ay regalo ng Panginoon. Don't be afraid to chase your dreams. Nothing is as impossible as it seems. Kapag napagod ka, huminga lang sandali. Pero wag na wag mong susukuan ng sarili. Life keeps teaching every single day. Every trial helps us find the better way. Sa bawat luha, may bagong pag-asa. Sa bawat dilim, may liwanag na darating pa. Stand up stronger, never lose your faith. God will guide you through every twist of fate. Ang tunay na yaman ay pusong marunong magmahal. At ang bawat aral ng buhay ay walang katumbas. Yeah, life is the greatest teacher. Learn, forgive, believe. At sa bawat bagong umaga, may panibagong pagkakataon. Keep your faith and keep moving forward.